Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see a problem based on accurate property decorator in Python. Okay, so the problem is saying to us that convert method to attribute. So we know the basic thing about property decorator is that we can use out the method as an attribute, right? So let's just see a problem here. We need to create a class circle and with the property area that returns the area of a circle as an attribute. Okay, not a method. So this is the basic logic that method is used out as an attribute. Let's just try to create the class circle, okay, which will just give the area for us. So I'm just going to create a constructor here, which is going to take two parameters. One would be, let's say, self, another one would be the radius, because we know the formula for a radius, like for area, that is pi r square, right? So we can just get the self dot radius by the radius, okay, and here we can just get the property decorator. You can see IDE is suggesting us we can just create out a new function, that is area, which is going to take a self parameter, and here we are just going to return out simply our area's logic, which is nothing but math dot pi stands out for pi's value. We can just multiply out it with the value of self dot radius, which would be the radius given by user. So actually we would be giving out this manually in the code. So let's just try to create an object C by the help of circle, and here only we are just passing out the value. Let's say I'm just going to give here the radius as 5. Let's just try to use the method as the attribute, and we are just going to use out C dot area. That's all. So I'm just using out method here as an attribute. That's why we haven't given the parenthesis. Okay. So let's just try to run and get the response for area. Okay. So here is something problem because we haven't imported the math class yet. I mean module. So let's just try to import math. That's what we received the area. Okay, so I hope you guys understood the concept of what we did. We have just created a circle class constructor which is taking the radius and self parameter property decorator. We have given the area function and we got the